Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome back to another bright, early morning here in the Okanagan Valley. It's not sunny where I'm standing, but because there's a building directly in the way of the sun, but it is very sunny this morning. Now, of course, because I just need to work all the time, I have to go to work today again. And yesterday got away from me big time, so I didn't get out and do any of the adventures that I wanted to do. And then later today, I'm gonna have a bunch more people that are probably not gonna show up to come and look at the car. That is infuriating. You go through all the effort, making arrangements with somebody, you tell them all about it, you make the arrangements to have them meet you, actually right here, and 2 people. No show, no response. I mean, usually people don't answer your messages if they're not going to show up. When it actually comes time to come check out the vehicle or the item, that's when people usually show up. But no, I've had 3 people not come to look at the car, and I've had about 5 people just stop talking to me about it while we're conversing. It's kind of frustrating, and I definitely understand why a lot of people don't like to sell their own cars privately. But I think it'll be worth it, and it is such a beautiful car. I don't really want to sell it, but
yeah.
have I ever mentioned just how much I hate being stuck in traffic constantly? It is getting so much worse than I ever imagined it would out here. And I'm told this is totally normal and probably going to get worse before it gets better, because tourism is back, right? It's popping out here in the Okanagan. It's amazing. Long day of work, and then I spent almost an hour and 20 minutes in traffic just to get back over here. And now I've got to run in and grab some groceries real quick. And I was going to go for a drive, but we've got a little bit of an issue with the car, and I'm just going to head home. When we get to the parkade, I will fill you guys in, and hopefully we can actually get the culprit on film. You'll see what I mean shortly. And of course now it's not going to do it. The joys of cars and warranty. Never does what it does when it needs to go get fixed, right? Anyways, it goes click, 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 click anytime I'm lightly touching the brakes and turning. Like I was saying, there's a clicking, ticking noise that is 100% of the time when you're lightly on the brakes and turning. So I think it's a CV axle or differential problem, which is kind of what I suspected it was all along. So hopefully I can manage to get a GoPro stuck there and record it to help the mechanics. But other than that, That's what I'm gonna have for today's video. Thank you very much for choosing to come along on these little random adventures. If you enjoy this sort of content, please consider subscribing, and we will catch you on the next adventure.